In this part we continue the work. I have made a trim for the stalk by pattern till this point. Then I will work in this direction. While crocheting, I am joining to the flower and round elements. I pin round elements. Let's begin the work. Make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove the hook. Take a petal of the flower, insert the hook into the petal. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain. Remove the hook. Insert it into the petal of the flower. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain of 3. Let's make one more. Remove the hook, insert it into the round element. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain. Remove the hook. Insert it into the round element. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain. Then chain of 2 more. Remove the hook. Insert it into the second berry. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain. Remove the hook. Insert it into the same berry. Take the working loop, pull it through. I join it in this way. Now I'm going to join to this leaf, that is upper from the berry. Remove the hook, insert it into the leaf. Take the working loop, pull it through. I fix this part of the work. We have done 4 chains. Make 3 chains more. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the leaf. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain. 1, 2. So continue working in this way till the end. I have done the joining all elements in this piece of work. As you can see, I attached berries to the flower. The element is ready. Now we need to do one more detail in the top. As you can see, I have pinned the round element and made a chain. Then we move down and sew all elements together in the places of contiguity. While crocheting, you don't make the joined point, so you can sew elements together in the places of contiguity. This is the second half of the project. I pin all elements on the painting. Let's look at the leaf. I made a trim as I showed you before. Then pin small flowers, stalk made of chain with rounds. There is leaf in the bottom part. It's trim made of single crochet stitches. Two crocheted leaves, one of them with trim and stalk. Next step is sewing all elements together. We are working on the front side. The preparation is ready. So I like my result. I can begin to sew all elements together. Let's begin the work. I will begin from any points. I made the third one in the same way. The free places between elements will be filled up with different elements such as round elements, small flowers and leaves. As you can see, all free places I fill it up with chaotic mesh. As you can see, all free places between elements I fill up with different elements. But I have small spaces and I couldn't sew elements in these small places. So I will make a braids. I'm going to make some braids in these small spaces. With a needle, go through the stitches along the flower. If you would like to make different kinds of braids, you can learn them from tutorial 50 in crochet cords, ribbons and laces on our website sharonknitting.com or YouTube channel. With a needle, go through the stitch. For this piece I use the same color of yarn that I use in the flower. With a needle, go through the stitches along the flower. I will begin from this point. Now I'm going to make a string. I work from the bottom to the up. With the needle, go through the stitch of the cord. I move down and now I'm making wraps around this string. I'm going to wrap 2 or 3 times. With the needle, go through the stitch of the in the flower. And pull a little bit. The first braid is ready. I move along the flowers. I'm going to make the second braid from this point. Let's move down. With the needle, go through the stitches in the flower. With the needle, go through the stitches in the second flower. In this case, I work with back side of the petal. Now I begin from this point the second braid. With the needle, go through the stitch in the cord. And wrap the thread 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 'I secure the braid in this point. Now I fix this part of project. I continue working with next petal. With the needle, go through the stitches. Work with back side of the second petal. With the needle, go through the stitches inside. The thread is not visible on the front side of the flower. I fix this part and begin the third braid. With the needle, go through the stitch in the cord on the opposite side. And wrap this thread two or 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, like this. Then I secure the braid at this point and continue working with this second petal. Then with the needle, go through the stitches along the third flower. Till this point I made 2 or 3 braids here. Today you have seen how to make unusual Irish project made of flowers, leaves and cords, small flowers, round elements and other elements. Thanks for watching.